experiences in reality shows and won all of them.
Okay.
What advice would you give to a person trying their best to win in this competition? Why do you think was the reason you won? And what could they apply in the show to do the same? Do you want me to repeat the question?
I can answer. My answer is, why you English? Grabe naman yung parang tanong sa kumanta, uy! Ano yung tanong doon? Pwede isa-isa. Ano ba sabi mo?
Ano daw yung, meron ka daw mga experiences na sa reality shows at saka lahat daw yun, napanalunan mo na.
Hindi ko naman nakapanalunan.
Ano daw yung advice mo na pwedeng ibigay sa mga contestant para manalo naman dito sa competition na to?
Basta ako, ang ginawa ko lang dito sa mga competition na ginawa ko talaga is number one. Nag-lista na sila ba? Pero walang pwede kung sagot ko dyan. Number one is prayer. I-pray mo talaga kung itutuloy mo ba yung decision mo na masumali ka sa contest na yan. Baka naman hindi ka fit dyan, di ba? So prayer, yung decision mo, maging decision din ni Lord. Second is, practice. Kung ano yung pinasok mo, kailangan praktisan mo talaga yan. Kung dancing ba yan, mag-practice ka. Hindi yung papasok ka na dyan ka na mag-dancing. Mali yan, ganyan. Number 3, hindi ako galit ha, explain na. And then, number 3, ibigay mo ang all mo sa every performance mo. Huwag kang magpatalo sa kaba at huwag kang magpatalo sa sinasabi ng iba. Pakinggan mo lang ang sarili mo. Hanggang kausapin mo ang sarili mo. So, yun ang top 3 na ginawa ko lang sa buhay ko na napagtagumpayan ko ng mga reality.
Yes, 3 pieces of advice from Ma'am Shimelay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Ito naman po, next question from Inquirer from Marinel Cruz. This question is for Ms. Catherine Bernardo po. So the question is, you've spoken about stepping out of your comfort zone recently. What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself? Also, what does being a woman of power mean to you?
Wala siya here. That was her question. Okay, sorry, what's the first question? Let's start from there.
What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself recently?
Today. Today, the bravest thing I've done for myself. Jeez. Siguro, I don't know, I'm at the point I'm turning 29 right, in a few days. So, I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this, I remember when I parang gave a message for our Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mafe-feel ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman to talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Tony said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGT, pero may feeling lang ako na parang iba. And I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko na yung tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi in the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, ang dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom. But it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. I don't know if I can do it. But I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything right now.
And yung next question po, Ms. Catherine.
Sorry, may next question ka pa pala.
Yes po.
Sorry.
What does being a woman of power mean to you?
A woman of power. I think a woman is so powerful every time she helps other women. That's my personal answer. Kasi, di ba, meron tayo, the society, parang especially kaming mga babae, I don't know, sad lang na parang kaya yung naglalagay ng ano sa amin. Parang you're pitting us against each other. Parang you're giving us that ano na, okay, competition to, I have to be better than this, I have to be better than her. Parang, it's sad because if kami, mga babae, magsama-sama, parang we become more powerful. And iba yung feeling kapag siguro kaming mga babae, especially now, it's Women's Month. Sa lahat pala na nandito, Happy Women's Month. If we just work together, kaming mga babae, we become so powerful. So instead of putting each other down, sana tayo mga babae, magkaroon tayo ng safe space sa atin. Whether it's your family, your sister, a friend, or a mentor. Iba yung feeling kapag meron kang nakakausap na babae na pinapa-feel sa'yo na you're okay, you're doing a great job, you're safe here, we got your back. So sana, yun yung mas spread natin, na instead of pitting us against each other, maybe we can just help each other and let's just stop comparing women. Kasi hindi talaga yung nakakatulong. Sa feeling ko, hindi lang naman sa showbiz, pero sa inyo, sa work nyo, kahit saan tayo magpunta, meron kasing ganun. So sana mag-break yun, and unti-unti. Parang don't use that to entertain people kasi I think women deserve better. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Catherine.
Thank you. And another question po from Marinel Cruz. Ito naman ay para kay Ma'am Shi Melay. Bilang International Women's Month ngayong March, ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging woman of power sa iyo? Serious to ko, auntie, ha?
Being a woman in power, having a kilikili power. Ang woman in power sa atin, tayo kasi mga ako, lalo na ako nanay ba? Seryoso din ang sagot ko siyempre. Remind ng sarili. Kasi bakit tayo mga, lalo na ako nanay, power sa akin kung ikaw na nanay, magaling kang mag-pray sa mga anak mo. Sabihin niya naman na, hey, very ko, anak siya. Yun ang kailangan natin, huwag kayong magaya-ganyan kasi siyempre gagamitin talaga natin itong media na ito para i-share yung ganyan. Because kung kapag marunong ka mag-pray sa anak mo, ikaw na kaibigan na babae, marunong ka mag-pray sa kapatid mo, you have the power to control the disaster to that kind of emotion. Diba? Naintindihan mo? Hindi ko rin naintindihan. Hindi, because prayer can move a mountain. That's right? Can I say amen? Amen! Diba? Please all stand. Kasi baka na. Hindi ko talaga. Uy, reality ang sinasabi ko because meron kasi akong kuwan sa sarili ko. Meron akong kuwan sa sarili ko ba na parang panata sa sarili ko na I will use this motherhood and this artisthood to this prayer, may power talaga sa prayer. So tayo, bilang woman, we have the responsibility to pray to our family, to my husband, to my daughters, and to everyone. Please only. So yun aking woman and I.
Yes, prayer is power. Wala pa naman si Ma'am Shi Melay. Ayan. And same question din po para kay Miss Eugene Domingo naman this time. Bilang International Women's Month ngayong March, ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging woman of power sa iyo?
Oh my God. I think Catherine said it so, diba? It's so perfect. Your answer, I'm so amazed.
Is it a yes?
Oh my God,
Oh,
it's more
diba?
than a yes.
Thank you.
Diba, Sir Freddy? You're amazing.
Thank you.
And wait, can I just say, iba rin yung kampante ko pag nandyan si Miss Eugene. Kasi syempre, first time ko dito. So every time nandyan, iba rin yung kabay. Doon ko na-realize na sobrang hirap mag-judge. Yung simple lang na pagtingin ko nasa kaliwa ko si Miss Eugene, iba yung pag may fellow, babae na nakikita, and then Ate Mela is there. So iba siguro yung energy din na nabibigay natin mga babae. So thank you also for guiding me.
Yes, my God. And also just to share, lahat ng sinagot nila tama. Yun. That's it. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na I'm not here kung hindi sinadjust ni Katrina isama ako.
Yes! That's very true.
So, I think that's worth noting. Please note that. Because for a while, I've been thinking, ano kayang show ang gagawin ko pa next? Ano bang next project ko? And my God, this show landed on my lap and I just said, oh, I think this is the best show. I mean, this is the most entertaining show. If the Filipinos have given up on TV, don't. The best is yet to come. PGT is the best show. If not, Sir Freddy won't be here. Diba, Sir Freddy? I mean, this is everything. This is entertainment, this is talent, and this is Filipino. What more can you ask for?
Thank you so much, Ms. Marinel. And of course, thank you sa ating Women of Power. Alright, ang ating next question is from